Suppose you need to download a file using Python. How would you go about doing that? Let's take a look at the code. First, we import the urllib.request module. Then we create two variables, one for the URL and another for the file name. Then we can use urllib.request.retrieve to download the file. Alternatively, we can use the request module. If you don't have that installed already, you could simply do pip install request to have that installed on your computer. And for that, we could import requests and then we use the method below to download the file. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.